Womp, 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 womp. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Another one to add to the list that I managed to lose an intro for. So, just going to be installing the Schroth, I think is how you say it, harnesses on the car. So stay tuned. So we have the Schroth Racing 4-point Rally Cross harnesses. They have some anti-submarining technology, which I believe is just this extra patch. Kind of helps you from worrying about a 5-point and slipping out from under the seat. And they are in the super sweet silver color because I am trying to kind of continue the silver and or white stripe theme going through the car. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and install these on the car, and I'm going to show you the process of doing so. Alright, so for this job, we really only need like some hand tools. You just need a deep 15 millimeter, 13 millimeter socket, and then I've got a Torx 50-bit for the seat belt in the back. The other two sockets are just for the bolts to the seat itself. I'm not even going to be worried about disconnecting the electrical components on the seat because we're not pulling the seats all the way out to do this. We're just going to be disconnecting them enough so that I can lean the seats so that I can get access to the inside for the belt strap on the harnesses. I'm just using my drill to kind of speed things up a little bit. Okay, so the seat's now loose. I'm going to start with the inside lap belt. So you've got this little connector piece, and what you do is you unbolt where the seat belt attaches to the seat for the where it normally latches on the inside, and you put this underneath that bolt. So with the seat propped up on its side here, this is where the seat belt attaches to the seat itself. So you can see on the bracket right there, there's the Torx 50-bit for bolt. So I'm gonna loosen that and then put the harness in place. Alright, so the kit did come with 2 bolts for the bottom belts, but they're not the right thread pitch for the seat, so I'm definitely not going to be using that. I did, let's see, I'm going to put this washer they provide though underneath the bolt so it has less resistance to where it's mounting. There is still some little like lock washer type things. They do tell you to put the harness underneath the seat belt, so that's what I'm doing here. There we go. So our left lap belt is in place. Alright, I'm going to slowly put this back down so that hopefully I don't scratch the center console, and then move to the outside bolt. It mounts underneath the seat belt where it mounts to the frame of the car. So to give myself a little more room, I'm just going to move the seat forward. This is not bolted back down yet, but it will be. Same thing, Torx 50-bit, loosen that bolt. Alright, so we're going to get this one more or less in place. So I'm keeping this harness belt straight, paying attention to the way this mounts, and then also paying attention to where this one mounts. It mounts like this, put the spacer back on, and then a little lock washer. And we're just going to go ahead and start this bolt. Just going to torque it down, and then I will show you guys how to mount the straps. So I'm going to start by kind of getting the seat generally in place of where I sit in here so that I can know approximately how much I should take from the rear belts there. So I'll start by kind of adjusting the lap belt here. So as long as I don't gain too much weight, that should be pretty good on the lap. So we got about 6 inches between the top of the patch and where it feeds through there. So with that, I know, okay, generally where I want the front of the harnesses to be. So there's a particular way that you want to wrap these around the bar, and they actually send them already kind of pre-wrapped so you see what you want to have. This part right here is what the roll bar is going to be in. So I need to undo that so that I can rewrap it around the roll bar with that approximate position that I got, which is right there. Trying to give you guys a little more light there. So now that I've got the, I don't know what you call this, adjuster piece in place, you start with the belt going underneath the bar, and then you want to push it through the top side and then back down. And then tighten it down to where the loop is good. Not like super tight, just nice on there. A little bit of slack so that it's got some wiggle room but not too much. Alright, and then you loop it back through the top side. You guys can see that. I'm going to show you. And then snug it down. There we go. And that's one harness wrapped. I'm going to repeat that on the other side and then show you guys the end product. Alright, got this second harness wrapped. These are more or less in place. Let me slide them right back to the middle a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and put the seat back in position and then do an adjustment on me, make sure that I like where they're sitting. And once that's done, I'll show you guys what I have to kind of wrap it all up. I got these neat little adjuster things too. Supposed to make it a little bit easier to like pull the harnesses tight. It's a couple bucks, so I was like, sure, why not? Give them a try. So they just slide through the loops, like so. So through the loop, then you got the little end cap. You just pop that on. There we go. All right, cool. So with that in place, you just pull on the harness. This makes it a lot easier. That's as tight as these go, and I still have some wiggle room. I really don't want too much wiggle room, so I am going to tighten these down a little bit more. But that's generally the idea of the harnesses for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap the rest of this install up and then show you guys the end product of how it looks. Alright, here we go. Harnesses are all installed. So the last piece of the puzzle that I got is actually this little guy right here. So this is just a roll bar collar, and what it does is you're going to put it on the roll bar like so, and that just keeps the harnesses from moving too much from side to side. Nothing really all that crazy, just an additional safety thing. Alright guys, let me show you the finished product here. Door bars are in. I did finish putting all the collars on the harness bar right there. The only thing I got left to do is I got to take the rest of this slack on the harnesses, roll it up, and then zip tie it down. But yeah, that's the finished look, man. It looks freaking awesome. Super pumped with how it turned out. Kind of. I do have one last thing left coming in. So a little teaser on that one, if you guys are familiar with CM Components. He's like a one-man show, but he does a lot of custom rear seat deletes, so I'm waiting on that to get in, and then we'll be able to wrap this up like fully officially. So there's a little teaser on that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely hit the like button if you did. Feel free to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and yeah, I hope it was educational in some manner or another. Otherwise, peace out. I'll catch you in the next one. Nothing really all that crazy, just an additional safety